3 people in Clarendon are now homeless after fire destroyed their home. Sandy Williams reports.
On Saturday, Baron Desport received a phone call sometime after 2 p.m. that would change the course of his life.
I get a call, say, the house on fire.
At the time, Mr. Desport was at work. The cook shop operator left the home he had lived in for more than 30 years in Denbigh, Clarendon, just after 4 a.m. He cut his workday short and rushed back, only to find his house reduced to charred remains and ashes.
I use whatnot, brake front, TV, bed, 3 TV. Everything, nothing to save. All the paper for the car. So, down to my birth certificate, everything burned up.
No one was at home when the fire broke out, but now 3 people are homeless.
My son, my sister, and myself.
The cause of the fire is still unknown. The loss comes as a double blow for Mr. Desport and his family, who were still recovering from damage caused by Hurricane Melissa.
As I get a partner draw and I just buy some zinc and do half side of the house and say when I get another partner, I will do the other side.
Now, with everything gone, Mr. Desport says he is uncertain where to begin rebuilding his life. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.